words you say. I mean, have a connection to the energy, to the vibrations that you're putting out. With every word that you speak is a vibration that is coming back to you like a boomerang. So come on, guys, let's get on board. Have a connection to the words you speak right now, the words you speak every day. When you first wake up in the morning, what are the first words you say? Is it, oh my gosh, not another day? Oh, I don't want to get up and go to work. What are the words you say to yourself every morning? Whatever it is, you have a strong vibration to it because you're just coming out of the delta theta waves. You're just coming out of that energy and it's still connected. So when you have, hold on, have a connection, I mean a strong connection to all the words that you say every day, you're going to find that it is going to be words that are powerful. I mean very powerful for you, for your life, for everything around you, because you're saying these words and you're putting meaning to them and you're putting energy in them. So when you put feeling into your spoken and written words, this will bring more of that right back to you. More prosperity, more of everything coming back to you in any way, shape, or form. It is amazing how this happens, and it is just 1 in a million times that this will happen for you, where it'll say, no, it's not going to work, if you have a strong connection to your words. So if you feel if you feel a connection to the words you're speaking, not only are you bringing those words back to you, but you're bringing that mantra to life. You're bringing that affirmation to life. And when you do this and you feel this happening now, it is happening. Not it will happen, or not maybe. No, it is an energy that is flowing through you right now. So here's 2 mantras that I say all the time, and I know I've given these to you before, but I'm going to give them to you again because they're really powerful, and they believe in you, and they believe you can do it, and they believe everything around you is working out for you. So number 1 mantra is, of course this is mine. I feel grateful. And I say this throughout my day because I feel grateful for everything in my life. I feel grateful for the tea I drink. I feel grateful for my lunch. I feel grateful for the clothes I wear. I feel grateful for my microphone. I feel grateful for my chair. I feel grateful for my home. I feel grateful for everything in my life. I feel so grateful. So look at what you're doing and ask yourself, is what I'm saying, do I say this mantra, of course this is mine, I feel grateful? Makes it so, right? The second mantra I love to say, and this just brings more and more back to me, is, of course I always get what I want. Of course I do. The thing is, when you say of course to your subconscious, you're putting a statement out there. You're not just saying it, you're putting a statement. When you say of course, you're making it a reality. Like there's no doubt about it that this hasn't happened. There's no doubt in your mind, in your being, and anything around you that this isn't true. And when you are doing this and you believe you can and you will. When you believe you can, you will. You know you will. Because you take the belief of course I've got this. Of course I'm the leader. Of course I give value to the community. Of course people follow me because I am insightful. Of course people buy my courses and get my affiliate links because they're valuable. Whatever it is, whatever you're selling, whatever you're doing, add of course to it, and add gratitude, and just be grateful at the end. And you will find that your business will flourish, that the Lord will bless you in so many ways that it is unthinkable of how much greatness will come your way just by the simple feelings and these simple words. And don't take anyone else for granted, and don't flourish on having negativity, and don't flourish on being down in the dumps, and don't flourish on being sad, and don't flourish on the I can't. Let those go away, because you want to just stay focused and motivated on what it is you really want in your life. What do you want to do? Who do you want to be? And what is the great things that are coming forward for you in your life right now? This is for you. No one else needs to be involved in what you're doing. The business you're building, the platform you're making, the mindset you have, no one else has to know what your plan is. No one else has to know what's going on in your mind. This is all for you, and you alone, to make the decisions and to take the action steps to make it happen. It is a given, guys, that this is all for you. Think about it. When you do this and you say, oh my gosh, I did this for me. I did this because I feel good. I did this because I am grateful for what I have. I am grateful for all the universe gives me. I am grateful for the clothes I wear. I'm grateful for my coffee, my tea, my juice, whatever it is. Be grateful for all the little things around you, and you'll find that there is so much more out there that will come back to you and flourish you and make you be silly and giddy and just upside down. The words you say have a connection to your feelings and what's out there. If you say out there, oh, everyone's against me, or they hate me, or nobody cares about me, that's going to come right back to you. And you know what? Nobody's going to care, because you've put it out there so many times. You've drilled it into the atmosphere. You've drilled it in. You have to change your thoughts, your thinking, and your words. Most importantly, your words too. Words have a feeling attached to them. So get on board with what you really want. If you want people to ignore you, if you want people to not pay attention to what you're doing, if you don't want people to care, keep saying that nobody cares about me. Nobody cares. Keep having that pity party. It's going to come back and it's going to bite you in the tush. It will, because nobody will care. Nobody will give 2 cents about how you feel, what you think, or what you do. Think about it. It is true. And it is a possibility to change all that. Change it with your words. Change it with your feelings. And not just that, with your beliefs. Think about it. And think about what you say. Think about how you feel. And think about what you're doing to yourself every single day. Make the changes you need to make. You know what? You are unstoppable and you are unbreakable. I know you can do this. And I look forward to seeing and hearing more about you. So please, let me know.